Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. In today's video is going to be a quick review of this Extreme Sport watch band for your Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I picked up a new band for my Galaxy Watch 4. I've been looking at bands, so I got this from Samsung. It is a little pricey. It's the Extreme Sport band, and it's actually in blue and mustard, they call it. The reason why I got it, it pretty much looks like, you know, look at that, bam. Let's go Big Blue. But that's one of the reasons I got it, is just because of the colors. But it goes great with the watch. And I like it pretty cool. It actually looks really good. In this video, I'm gonna just do a quick overview of it. Tell y'all how I like it. I've been using it for about not 3 weeks. I've been using it about 3 to 4 days now. And I'm gonna just go over some things I noticed about it and let y'all know if it's worth the $39. I got it from Samsung's website. I think you can pick them up from Amazon too, but hopefully that comes in good. The great thing about Samsung on their website, you can pick your watch itself, whatever size you have, and then you can go through the bands. So if I keep on going back to Extreme, and this is what, the black and red. I might actually pick up this white band here, if y'all can see that. I might actually pick that one up. They also have a blue one, which I have, and a pink one. All right, let me show the band off a little bit more. So if y'all looking to pick one up, but here it is. It's a little stiff, but it's not too bad. And that is how it looks underneath. It does have the 2 rings there, so it works great. The one thing I did notice, I got the medium to large size, and it's still kind of small. When I put it on, I only use like the first 3 little holes there. So even for my wrist, it's kind of small. So that's one thing you might want to take in place. The other thing, like if you don't like a stiff band, then it may not be for you. It has the easy changing things there, and it's comfortable, man. It really is. Even though it's a little stiff, it's not bad. And I think it looks great with the watches too. That white one looks actually pretty good too. I don't know. I'm gonna have more bands coming up really soon, but I don't know if it's gonna get dirty. That's one thing I'm worried about too, is how dirty it would get, especially this yellow one. But for 3 days, 4 days, it actually works really good. All right, so this is how it looks on my wrist. You can see I'm only using 3 of the bands, or the 3 holes. And then it kind of slides in there. That's a little aggravating too, but you get used to it. But I mean, just look at it. That's a nice looking band. People actually compliment, they're like, "Oh, I like that band on your watch. Did you get a new watch?" I'm like, nope, just a watch band. So if you want to pick it up, look in my description. I will have the links in there. Again, you can get it from Amazon. If y'all want to see more watch bands, I will definitely try to review more. Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Watch 4. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. You have a great day. Look at that band. I do love the colors though. Check it out. Pick one up if you want to. And I'll see y'all in the next video.